Hello there and welcome to my channel. I'm Marie. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet this half solid hexagon. So these are very useful to know how to make if, for example, you are making a blanket, a hexagon blanket, and you are going to need some half hexagons to fill out the gaps in the sides of your blanket to get some clean edges. So without any further ado, let's get started. To begin, we're going to make a slip knot. So I will form a loop, place my working yarn behind the loop, grab the yarn through the loop with my hook, and pull tight. And then I'm going to chain 5. So yarn over and pull through. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I'm going to join these 5 chains with a slip stitch into the first chain to create a circle. So insert, pull through the loop on the hook. And I now have this little circle here that I can work my stitches into. To start the first row, I'm going to chain 4. Yarn over, pull through, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And these will count as a double crochet and 1 chain. Next, I'm going to make 3 double crochet into the circle. So yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And again, 2 more times. Next, I'm going to make a corner space. So I'm going to chain 1. And then I will make the next side of my half hexagon. So I'm going to make 3 double crochet into the circle. That's 1, 2, and 3. Then I will make a corner. So chain 1. And then I will make the last side of my half hexagon. So I will make 3 double crochet into the circle. And then I will chain 1, which will count as the last chain space. And then make another double crochet into the circle. So that's row 1 complete. To start row 2, I'm going to chain 4 again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then turn my work. And these 4 chains will count as a double crochet and 1 chain. Next, I'm going to make a double crochet into this first corner space. And then make a double crochet into the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. And into the corner space, I will make 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet, all into the same space. And next I will make a double crochet into the next 3 stitches. And again into the corner space, I will make a double crochet, 1 chain and 1 more double crochet, all into the same space. And next, make a double crochet into the next 3 stitches. And next, I will make a double crochet into the last chain space here. Then chain 1. And here at the end of the row, you can choose just to make another double crochet into the same chain space, or you can make a double crochet into the third of the chain 4. That's what I will do because that creates a more clean edge of the half hexagon. So yarn over, insert into the third of the 4 chains, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So that's row 2 complete. To start row 3, I will again chain 4 and turn my work. And again, the chain 4 will count as a double crochet and 1 chain. So next I will make another double crochet into the chain 1 space. And I now have 5 stitches to work into for the side of my half hexagon. So I will just make a double crochet into these next 5 stitches. And I've now reached the last corner space, so I will make a double crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet into this next space. So that's double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet. And again I will make a double crochet into the next 5 stitches. So each side of this round has 5 double crochet stitches. And into the corner space I will again make a double crochet, 1 chain and another double crochet. Then a double crochet into the next 5 stitches. And here at the end of the round, I will make a double crochet into the last chain 1 space. Then chain 1 and make another double crochet into the third of the chain 4 from the previous round. 1, 2, and 3. And that's row 3 complete. So for row 4, I will just repeat the process. So I will chain 4 and turn, and this will count as a double crochet and 1 chain. Next, I will make a double crochet into the first corner space. And each side of my half hexagon now has 7 stitches. So I will just make a double crochet into these next 7 stitches. And into the corner space, I will again make 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 more double crochet. And again, make a double crochet into the next 7 stitches. And again, into the corner space, make a double crochet, chain 1 and 1 more double crochet. And again, double crochet into the next 7 stitches. And here at the end, make a double crochet into the last chain space. Then chain 1 and make a double crochet into the third of the chain 4. And from here you can just go on and continue making your half hexagon as large as you would like. Just remember that for every row your sides will grow with 2 new stitches. So I'm just going to fasten off my yarn here. So I will cut, yarn over, and pull my yarn tail all the way through and tighten the knot. And I will weave in the yarn tails on the back side. And we are now all done. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful. If you did, make sure to give it a like. Comment down below if you have any questions. I hope to see you again in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.